Dan with Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply. Here's another hot water trailer package that we're putting together for a client in Sanford, Florida. Huge landscape company and now facility maintenance company. It's got the 30 horsepower Kohler, 3,500 PSI at 9-gallon Hydro-Tek hot water machine, belt drive TSF general pump. It's got the 3,000 watt onboard generator to power the 120 volt burner system. That's 614,000 BTUs. This is unlike a lot of those 350,000 BTU burner that don't heat the water. Also, this has a dual tanks, 270 gallon tanks each. One supply room recovery. It also could be just a supply tank if needed, or recovery tank, because the tanks are connected together. All stainless steel Hydro-Tek hot water pressure washer frame, burner housing, control panel, heat shield. Everything on that hot water pressure washer is stainless steel. The trailer is an 18.5 foot by 8 foot extra wide trailer, 12,000 pound capacity with a front door on the front, easy access to the machine. Got two 4-foot side doors, which actually has, you can see the surface cleaners up front, the two stainless steel units, a vacuum recovery one, second from the left, and the one on the right. They actually fit in prefabricated racks on the door itself over here. So they don't take really up any trailer space. That's going to be wasted space regardless. So basically, right there on the doors, both those stainless steel surface cleaners are going to be sitting. That's that 30 horse stainless steel unit from the back side, pressure washer. Then we've got two high pressure electric hose reels on the right with 200 foot of hose on each with quick disconnect. So if you run out of hose pulling one of the reels out, you can disconnect from that reel, connect it to the other 200 foot section of hose, and that'll give you a total of 400 foot capacity on the trailer itself. 150 foot of inlet hose reel. It's a heavy duty 3/4 inch inlet hose. It's got 300 foot of Chempoly hose for our 12 volt soft wash and chemical spraying system. Got 100 foot of vacuum hose up on top on the vacuum reel up on the top there. We added a rack over the tank where that was dead space, so now he's got a rack to hold his 48 inch surface cleaner, which he's picking up also, and a bunch of different accessories. We also have a chemical rack up there to hold some chemical. On the right hand side we got like weed whacker rack, so that'll hold his gun, wand, and Sidewinder surface cleaner, the brush base 19 inch surface cleaner that's also included on this package. It's got a fire hydrant filter kit right here, so when he accesses the fire hydrant, it'll be already pre-filtered before going into the tank. High volume, high capacity filtration system. It's got the AZV88, that's the wastewater recovery and filtration system. Let me pull that in here and I'll show you that. Alright, this unit here recovers 12 gallons per minute. It's a vacuum recovery system. The nice part of this, it actually runs off the generator that's on the Hydro-Tek hot water machine. So it's self-contained, very fuel efficient. You don't have to run another generator in order to power the wastewater recovery. This is phenomenal up to 100 feet away, which is the most convenient when you're running 2-inch vacuum line, pressure washer hose, and surface cleaner. So for most jobs like Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, all those big commercial jobs that now need wastewater recovery and filtration, the perfect application to say the least. We also have a 45 gallon chemical tank here with its own soft wash chemical pump in the back here that actually runs up to the electric reel and this 300 foot of Chempoly hose. It's an on-demand chemical pump, so once it's up and running and primed, it'll shut off if the wand is off. The minute you turn the wand back on, the pump will automatically kick back on and run. For more details, contact Dan Swede, 954-778-4386. My direct email is sales@isys.net. That's sales@isys.net. And our website is www.isys.net. I'll be running this in a minute. I got to get the phone, but I'll be right back to have a secondary video of this in action.